So are we starting to see some bullish actions coming back for this counter called AEM right over here, right? So this is one of the leaders, all right, of the technology sector in Singapore, and it seems like we are seeing some actions coming back. And today is the 21st of July 2020. So this is just last week right over here on the 15th of July. There were some upside targets that were drawn, all right, because it was pretty much consolidating from like $2.90 to about $3.40, right? 3.40. That was the key resistance whereby it has touched and came down more than 4 to 5 times over the past 2.5 months. Alright, so that was drawn last week where we kind of expected to kind of rebound again, probably attempt to break that 340 and also to push higher above 340 and potentially hit towards that $4 level, another 14.96% upside, right? So this was drawn last week. So today is the 21st of July 2020, and it seems like we are seeing some bullish price actions coming back right now. So I want to take a look at AEM right now and see where we are and see if the targets that were drawn last week can be reiterated, and let's see if there can be more upside. Let's take a look. So here we are, and this is AEM right over here as of the 21st of July. Let me just pull out the date. So it's about 21st July right over here, 10:57 AM. The market is trading live, all right. And what happens was just a few minutes back, we kind of spotted the break above that $3.40 level, right? The key resistance that's been holding, for more than 2 months, right? Touch, it came down, touch and came down, and this time it seems like buyers are kind of prepared to take it higher. So it kind of broke that 340 resistance level, and there are some upside targets that were reiterated again. We kind of alerted clients and my inner circle members for that as well. All right, and right now we are currently trading about $3.55 right over here as of 10:58 AM Tuesday, 21st July. Okay, so yes, what happens is we can potentially see the uptrend continue, as I mentioned, because right now in terms of the longer term trend, it still looks pretty much intact, and the fact that we kind of broke that 340 shows that buyers are kind of like prepared to take it higher to the next phase. All right, we kind of broke that 340 consolidation phase, and that's a good thing because it cannot just go up every single day. Normally what happens is you want to see it consolidate a while, and it might start to push higher, you might attempt to push higher, right, for the next upside phase to carry on. In this case, upside targets would be about $4. Let me just reiterate that again, about $4, and that would be another 15% upside to about $4. So it's currently trading at about 3.54. all right, quite a heavy push up today. All right, more than 5 to 6% upside today we have seen. All right, but I would say that anything right now above that 340 or maybe even 350, all right, I would say 350 might be a temporary support as well. If we can hold above 350, that's where we can start to see some short-term upside towards that $4 level, right? So this is AEM right over here as of the 21st of July live. So before I go on, guys, be sure to hit the thumbs up button or give me a like, right, so that it will help YouTube algorithm, right, reach out to more people, and thank you so much for doing that. Hey guys, so it's Joey here again, and today is the 23rd of July, all right? So 2 days have passed, and this is AEM right over here. So when we covered just 2 days back on a Tuesday, it was then trading at about 3.54, right? So it kind of went up all the way. Look at this green bar right over here on just 2 days back. It went up all the way to a high of about 3.81, right? And there was some profit taking that happened. I mean, this is normal because the stock has gone up by more than 5-6% in just one day, and that's where sellers might want to come back, to kind of take some profit as well. Those who have bought like 320, 340, that's where they want to sell as well. Even though our target was at about $4, but we kind of expected a bit of profit taking to come back as it kind of approaches that $4 level, right? So 2 days have passed, and today is the 23rd of July 2020, right? So we are currently trading at about $3.62 right over here. So let me just change this resistance line right over here. So this was originally the 340, which I mentioned just 2 days back. It was originally the resistance, but now it would become the support level, right? So I would say that support would be about 340 to 350 for now, right? So as long as you stay above 340 to maybe even 350, a bit higher, all right, that's where the uptrend still looks pretty intact for this counter AEM, right? So now we are currently trading at about $3.62, and 62 cents. Let me just zoom in for you. All right, so a bit of support you can see coming back around 350 to even 355. All right, over the past few days. So profit taking came in about 380, and that's where buyers started to come in again about 355 to 360. So yeah, we might start to consolidate a bit, below 380 to maybe about 350, up and down for a while, for a few days, maybe next week as well. And yeah, hopefully we do attempt to break that 380, and that's where we can potentially hit to our first original target at that $4 mark, right? So yeah, once we near $4, we can also expect some profit taking to happen again. All right, but in the longer term, I would say that this counter still looks quite awesome. I mean, in terms of the uptrend continuing further, it will consolidate, it breaks higher, consolidate again, and breaks higher again. So that's how it goes, right? It will not just go up every single day, because people would like to take some profit as well. And that's a healthy uptrend. If it goes up every single day, then I think you want to be careful, right? So it's good that we see it consolidate a while before trying to attempt to push higher again, right? So this is AEM right over here as of the 23rd of July 2020. So if you like this video, be sure to comment below. Let me know what are some of the stocks that you want to be covered, and of course, hit the subscribe button, right? Hit the bell so that you will be notified of any new videos like this that we share on YouTube, right? So go ahead to do that, hit the subscribe button, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Joey here. Thank you so much for watching.